Is your Apple Watch showing not connected with this iPhone? This usually happens due to pairing issues, Bluetooth problems, or software glitches on either device. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Apple Watch not connected with this iPhone issue. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before we start the main process, make sure to do the following. Make sure your Apple Watch has at least 50% battery and is connected to its charger. Your Apple Watch and iPhone need to be connected to a stable and same Wi-Fi network. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled and used on your iPhone and Apple Watch. Keep your Apple Watch and iPhone close to each other during the entire update process. If you're still facing the issue, then try the following process. Solution 1. Update your software. First, open the watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app. Now, scroll down and then tap General. Tap Software Update. If there is a new software update available, then download and install the update. Solution 2. Reset your Apple Watch. Open the watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Reset. Tap Erase all content and settings. Scroll down again. Tap Erase all, and after that, try to pair again. That's all. This is how you can fix the Apple Watch not connected with this iPhone issue. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have anything to ask, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Goodbye for now.